Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This here is Casarah B. If you are new, welcome to the CV gang. If you have not joined, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the notification bell. What you waiting on, sis? You trying to be part of the gang or what? I'm just saying. Anywho, I created this holiday glam glitter cut crease type of look. It was an inspiration from off of Pinterest, and I didn't do exactly what I saw. I just pretty much did my own thing. Usually when I find an inspiration picture or video or whoever or whatever, I pretty much just start trying to do it that way, and then I just go with my imagination. So it didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to when I found it on Pinterest, the picture or whatever. So I just did my own thing and winged it, whatever. It didn't come out none like what I just saw on Pinterest. So this is here, the final look. You know what I'm saying? You see me. Let's get into it. Yeah, you in my business?
Don't do it.
Oh, okay. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep watching if you're interested. And I'll see you later.
Bye.
All right, y'all. So I did my brows off camera. If y'all are interested on how I slayed these brows, there is a tutorial on how I did it. Even a wing liner tutorial, all in one. So today I'm gonna be doing like a smoky green eye with a little bit of pop of glitter or whatever. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. I got this inspiration. I'm gonna try to wing this and see if I'm gonna try to wing that. We're gonna do a smoky green eye. I thought that was like a cute color, like a cute fall color or whatever. I believe that's a cute fall color with a little pop of glitter or whatever. So I already primed my eyes. I did my brows. I used the Big Ego from Tarth in black brown for my brows, and then I used my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. So I have a couple palettes that I may be using. Maybe. But I'm going to start off with an oldie but goodie. My Jaclyn Hill palette. Her, yeah, the 35 Dream Colors. I am going to go into, it's called Enchanted. I'm going to go into this color here. I am going to take some tape. I'm gonna put this tape on my eyes. I want more of a, like, you know, a fine line. I like to use this as my guide. I kind of want it like a sharp angled look. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. So we're gonna start at the corner and blend it into the crease. I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out the edges of that dark green color. And this brush I got from Amazon. There's no name to it, so I really don't know who this is from. I got it a while ago. So right now I'm just darkening up the crease, blending it out as I go. I want to make sure that my brow bone is still highlighted right there with the from the concealer. Oh, and while we sit here talking, y'all see my lighting. So remember how I told y'all I was being ghetto and using my lamps? Well, even though that worked out for me, I felt like and I had lost the cord to my original ring light, but I ended up going to do some makeup at the shop and I ended up finding my cord there. But before I even like found the cord, I ended up buying a whole new ring light. I went on Amazon and I paid $150 for this dope ring light. Comes with a remote. It comes with a remote for, I want to say it's for my camera, because 2 remotes came with it. One for like the lighting where I could just, you know, do what I want with the lighting. And then the other remote, I believe, is to like attach it to my camera for me to take a picture. I don't know. I have to test that out and see if that's really what it is. And look at the instructions again. Because sis, I was just so geeked to have a new ring light. I was just like, oh. You know what I'm saying? So now that I got this built up to my liking, I'm going to go into a oldie but goodie. This is like when I first started doing makeup. This is when I first started my YouTube channel. Not first started my YouTube channel, but first starting uploading videos to my YouTube channel. I was using this palette called Coastal Scents, the 252 palette, the ultimate palette. When I tell you it got every freaking color in there, like there's like three of these in one, and I always thought it was everything to me. I'm gonna go into that color there, and I'm gonna put that like right above where that dark green is. I'm going in with the P. Louise base. I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'm gonna put that over, like put it under my makeup wipe, and I'm just gonna clean it up to where I want the cut crease, so that when I lay down the base, the eyeshadow will stick. What I'm gonna do is take that brush that I had used to put in the darker shade. I'm gonna take the end of that, whatever product is left over on that, I'm basically gonna blend out the edges. Yeah, I don't know what part I don't know what part y'all seen. I don't even know where my camera stopped at, but I'm kind of mad at that because I be having technical difficulties with filming. I don't understand. I'm basically using my liquid matte liner by NYX. I'm giving myself a wing liner. I can't believe the camera stopped. Like, oh my God, all this time I'm thinking I've been filming. I have these two glitters that I'm going to be using. One is a glitter, fine, really like gold glitter. And then I have this other chunky glitter. Basically, I like to make concoctions with glitters. You really can. I changed my mind, y'all. So what I'm going to do, instead of that fine gold glitter, I do have a green glitter. A green fine glitter. And it's pretty too. I'm gonna use that glitter with the gold chunky glitter. We're gonna see how this gonna turn out. Oh no. I'm pretty much gonna start in the middle of the lid and towards the tail end of my lid. Chunky gold glitter and kind of like pop a few gold pieces. Now the lashes I'm using, I believe I got it from a young lady who has just opened up her boutique over this past summer. I forgot the name of her boutique to even shout her out, but she's out here in Oakdale, black owned business. She sells hair, wigs. She even has a makeup artist in there. She has, she got a lot going on in there. So so there's my eye look. Okay, it's pretty much giving me Jingle Bell Rocks. Happy Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna just say this is just a holiday look. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna beat my face. Y'all have seen a routine of me doing my face. Now y'all not about to talk shit about me, because I know I ain't got no forehead and I be highlighting, contouring the hell out of it. But mind your own self business, because you in my business, don't do that. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, this tutorial, me. I hope you subscribe. I hope you get notified if you hit the notification bell, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate all your love and support, and I want to say we made it to 1K, sis. We made it. Let's just keep going. Let's keep going. Let's, you know, get some more CV gals, CV gang girls. You know what I'm saying? We want to be part of the baddie clique, you know what I'm saying?